mindful movement, yoga, and meditation combined. Find a quiet space where you can move freely. Stand comfortably with both feet on the ground. Allow your shoulders to relax. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale gently and soften your body. Feel the earth supporting you. Become aware of your natural posture. Lengthen your spine with ease. Relax your jaw and your face. Take another calm breath in. Slowly breathe out completely. Raise your arms toward the sky. Reach gently without strain. Feel space through your entire body. Lower your arms with your exhale. Move slowly with every breath. Let movement become your meditation. Roll your shoulders gently backward. Release any built-up tension. Circle your neck with care. Move only as far as feels comfortable. Notice every gentle sensation. Stay connected to your breathing. Lift your chest as you inhale. Relax your shoulders as you exhale. Allow each movement to be graceful. Allow your breath to guide the pace. Shift your weight slowly side to side. Feel balanced and grounded. Bring your hands to your heart pause for one mindful breath. Notice the quiet within you. Notice the calm around you. Step forward gently. Stretch the back of your body. Release without forcing. Breathe into every movement. Allow your muscles to soften. Allow your mind to become still. Slowly return to standing. Feel strength in your posture. Feel peace in your breath. Lift your arms once again. Reach with kindness toward yourself. Blur your hands with gratitude. Every breath renews your energy. Every movement restores balance. Notice your body becoming lighter. Notice your thoughts becoming quieter. Take a slow, mindful inhale. Release fully with your exhale. Feel harmony between breath and movement. Allow yourself to simply flow. Trust your body's natural rhythm. Trust this peaceful moment. Relax into gentle awareness. Move with patience and presence. Breathe with calm confidence. Rest in this mindful flow. Stand quietly and notice your breathing. Allow each inhale to lift your spirit. Allow each exhale to soften your body. Raise your arms with gentle intention. Lower them slowly with your breath. Feel every movement with full awareness. Notice the quiet strength within you. Bring your hands back to your heart. Pause and simply be present. Let your breath become slow and natural. Take one mindful step forward. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Step back with calm awareness. Move with balance and ease. Stretch gently toward the sky. Welcome fresh energy into your body. Exhale and release any remaining tension. Feel your body becoming lighter. Feel your mind becoming quieter. Notice the harmony within you. Every breath supports your movement. Every movement supports your peace. Allow your breath to guide each motion. Move with patience and kindness. Relax your hands and fingers. Relax your shoulders and neck. Feel warmth flowing through your body. Feel gratitude for your strength. Take another slow, deep breath. Smile gently as you exhale. Your body and mind work together. Your breath connects them both. Rest in this peaceful rhythm. Enjoy this moment of stillness. There's nowhere else to be. Everything you need is here. Take a slow breath into your heart. Release with complete ease. Feel calm filling every cell. Feel gratitude filling your heart. Begin returning your awareness gently. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the air on your skin. Take one deeper breath in. Exhale slowly and completely. Gently move your fingers. Gently move your toes. Roll your shoulders softly. Lift your head with awareness. Feel refreshed and balanced. Carry this calm into your day. Carry this mindful energy with you. Return to your breath whenever needed. Let mindfulness guide your every step. Take one final slow, deep breath. Exhale with peace and gratitude. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Return feeling centered and renewed. May every movement bring you greater peace. Carry this harmony with you wherever you go.